On June 26, 2025, Henderson Police SWAT served a search warrant tied to a string of golf course burglaries. Inside the residence, 71-year-old Bruce Ayer pointed what appeared to be a handgun at officers. After repeated commands were ignored, a SWAT officer fired, striking Ayer. He was transported to a hospital where he later died. No officers were injured. Viewer discretion is advised.
The Colorado Avenue Henderson Police Department SWAT team. We have a search warrant for the residence. We demand entry. Occupants of the Colorado Avenue is the Henderson Police Department SWAT team. We have a search warrant for the residence. We demand entry. Time. Police team.
Police department search warrant! Police department search warrant! Police department search warrant! With you. Move, police department search warrant! Hey, what is that? Be still. Stop. Hey! Shots fired! Shots fired!